I am back in your English class. In our previous class, we have learned so many A sound words now and practice them also. Now we are ready to learn E sound words. Come with me. Before learning new words, you should know the difference between A and E sound words. Okay? A says A. A says A. And E says A. E says A. Understood? First, let's learn N word families. D N den. H N hen. M N men. P N pen. T N ten. Now let's move to eight word family. Come. J et jet. N et net. P et pet. S et set. V et vet. W et wet. Now let's practice these words in notebook. Come. Let's start. D N den. H N hen. M N men. P N pen. T N ten. Next. Now this is et word family. N et net. P et pet. S et set. V et wet. W at wet. This sound is wet. You have to touch your lips with your teeth. Okay? Now this sound is W. You have to open your lips and speak W. These are E sound word. N family words and eight family words. Okay? You have to practice these words again and again. Okay? Now open page number 24 of your English book and read these words, N family words and eight family words. Okay? And then trace, read and color this picture Ben in a jet. Okay? Now open the page number 26 of your book and trace, read and connect rhyming words. Okay? First trace these words and connect to their rhyming words. Okay? Like dead, bed, wet, pet, men, hen. Okay? We will meet soon. Bye-bye.